In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple and straightforward guide on how to navigate a set of features using Deel, your Forever People platform. Whether you're looking to manage finances, verify your account, or update personal settings, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in to make sure you get the most out of your Deel experience. First, we'll start by heading over to the Deel website. You can do this by simply visiting the Deel homepage, which is designed to provide you with a comprehensive dashboard for managing your professional needs. Once there, you'll notice a highlight tab on the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This feature is often used to bring attention to the latest updates or important sections, ensuring you never miss out on any critical information or feature updates. Next, navigate towards the finance section. Clicking here will take you into the realm of transaction history and financial management tools. If managing your finances is a priority, Deel offers an intuitive interface to make this as smooth as possible. Now, look towards another option that might be labeled as YT. Take a moment and click on that as well. This abbreviation typically leads to a specific aspect of financial transactions that you could benefit from. The highlight feature reappears here, so give it another